Hey guys, this is train number 70. Today I'm gonna unboxing 6 train Workman. I'll show it to you. There they are inside the box. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, the bottom, and the back. Let's unbox 6 train Workmen, shall we? I'm going to do off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just unboxed 6 train Workmen. As you can see, 6 train Workmen came with this lunch box, I think. I think it's a wet lunch box, I think. It's for those workmen if they get hungry to have lunch or snacks. So let's take around 6 trains and workmen. So let's count them up. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 train workmen. Well guys, that's it with the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.